New Zealand passport. Here's my Canadian passport.
Okay.
Here's my New Zealand. I will sue if I have to.
That's fine, but I need you to listen.
I am American and I know the rights. Why have you not given them to me?
On July 22nd, 2025, airport police officers received an emergency call from a Southwest Airlines boarding gate. The reason? A female passenger was lying on the floor throwing a tantrum, refusing to comply with initial safety requirements, and continuously engaging in abusive and disrespectful behavior toward airline staff.
Ready, ma'am. Hey, how you doing?
Yeah, hi. So I was...
Okay. So, yeah, why don't you tell me what happened?
No, yeah. I will tell you before they tell you.
Yep, that's what I'm talking to you for.
I've been delayed for however many hours. I'm laying here. Look.
I see.
What? I'll show you.
No, you don't need to demonstrate, ma'am. Ma'am, why don't you get up for me? All right, ma'am, can you stand up?
No. I know I can get up, but I'm going to show you.
Okay, I get it.
Yeah, what I'm doing. Here is 2 passports to 2 countries.
Okay.
Because I have traveled.
Okay. So where are you flying to?
I'm going to Tampa. To hang out with my 4-month-old granddaughter. I'm not all that old.
It's all right. We just need to know which one. That's fine.
So here's my New Zealand passport. Here's my Canadian passport.
Okay.
Here's my New Zealand driver license. I've traveled over 100 bajillion times. And laid on the floor.
Okay.
I get sorry. I get that it's a public risk, but look, my flight is not to arrive until
Okay.
8:38 in the afternoon.
Okay,
That
so
is not supposed to arrive until
ma'am.
8:08 or 9:36. So sorry, I can't just hang out on the floor.
No, unfortunately, you
Because
can't just.
all of the other things.
No, you can sit down in the
So
seat.
every single time I've been to the airport, several times before, where I've laid on the floor, it's never been a problem.
Okay, right. So you're
But
laying in the
until
middle
now.
of the floor right here, right now, in front of everyone. So
This is the middle. This is the middle.
But don't you see that there's a gate right there, ma'am?
No.
Ma'am?
That's the middle.
Police approached the Southwest Gate area. Airline staff explained that the subject was rolling around on the floor, refusing to stand up, and displaying an aggressive attitude when reminded. The officer approached and requested that she present her identification as well as her boarding pass.
And so you don't know how to walk around me?
Yeah, but what happens?
So are you telling me everyone's... No, sorry. Is that what you're saying? Because people can't watch me walk around them? So I can lay right here, like this. First time ever.
Hey, what's going on?
Denied boarding, the more her behavior continues, the more I don't even want to rebook her. I was going to rebook her tomorrow, but she won't even get sent. So at this point, what do you think? Just cancel it? Yeah.
Waiting for my flight. It's been delayed for 3 hours.
Well, I can smell a little bit of alcohol in you.
It
How
doesn't
much
matter
is
if you smell. I have gotten gastric sleep. I can't get drunk.
Well, where were you
Right
drinking at?
here.
Just hanging out. We're just hanging out.
Right over there.
3 casts?
1 drink.
1 drink? Did you have
So you
anything to
can-
drink before you came?
No, 1 drink.
Okay.
So the funny thing is I am literally more self-aware than you are. No matter how many drugs I am. Okay, let's
Are
have a
you on any
conversation.
other drugs?
Yeah.
Well, you know, I don't know if you're just upset because of the flight.
No, I'm just upset with the fact that I'm enjoying myself. Where I have been several times flying out of this country, which I do not want to be in because I'm Canadian.
Are you Canadian?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm Italian.
And I'm great. So you don't want to be here either.
No, I
You're
like
just
it here. I like
be
it
here
here.
because you have to be here.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah,
She was
but
denied boarding?
anyways,
Okay.
It's even
So-
booked right here.
Physical and mental health. Oh, good. So you study that stuff.
Yeah, I literally am smarter than every person here.
Okay, so look.
Laying here.
I got it. So let me
It's,
explain
again,
something to
it's a
you.
safety risk. If there are people here,
It's not
no.
even that. Listen. So, because they are a private business and they can deny anybody boarding, so they actually, they actually
Yeah, but the
denied
thing
you
is
boarding.
they came to me. If I lay here. Watch. You want to watch me? Watch. You too. Watch. Let me try and then that one comes up to me. You're not allowed to sit here.
According to federal aviation regulations, The aircraft and the boarding gate area are private property / specially controlled areas. The airline has full authority to refuse service if a passenger poses a safety risk. Police are responsible for enforcing the request to remove the individual from the property.
No, look at this. Look.
I understand.
Look. I've literally flown to Thailand. I've flown to everywhere else in the goddamn world, and I've never been in trouble. You're sitting
So-
on my ass.
So just a little update, right? Your flight's been canceled due to the way you've been acting.
I don't care if it has.
Okay,
Because
so...
they are going to reimburse me, and I don't care.
Okay, yep, we can get that figured out.
It doesn't matter, actually, because on the plus side, my sister was going to pick me up. She has a 4-month-old baby. Because you guys think I'm or whatever the think that. I was going to watch my 4-month-old baby, or, sister's baby.
Or they deny?
They canceled.
No,
They're going to give you a refund.
I will sue if I have to.
That's fine, but I need you to listen to me, because the last thing I want to happen... Listen to me. The last thing I want to happen is for us to have to say to I need you to listen to me.
You can send me to jail all I want, because I will turn around and say, my fat ass right here
Okay,
was
ma'am,
sitting
let's
there.
listen.
Listen, we don't want to do that. So they denied you boarding. At this point, we have to escort you to the non-secure
That's
side.
fine.
If you can show me that
That's
you can
fine.
walk straight and take care of yourself, you can
Grab your items.
Hey,
Ma'am, grab your items.
go
I
ahead
will
and...
literally recite every. I will speak Spanish, English,
That's fine,
Portuguese.
but I don't want to get you for
Sign
disorderly
language.
either.
Hello.
Ma'am.
Welcome.
Ma'am, I don't want to get you for disorderly either, because right now we're blocking the flow of
You
business.
want me?
You're going to have
take
to
that.
carry your
No.
own stuff, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, you're going to have to carry your own
If
stuff.
you're
We can't
taking me
carry-
away, you take that.
Ma'am, you're going to have to
Hi,
carry your
would you
own
like to
stuff.
put this in your pocket? Because apparently you're escorting me and making
Ma'am,
me
look.
carry all
Ma'am,
my shit,
I'm
even
gonna,
though I am fine.
I asked you
I
to
will
pick up your stuff. Now
Yeah.
I'm telling you to pick up your stuff. If
Yeah.
you don't pick up your stuff and walk with us to the non-secure side, I'm going to have to take you into custody. It's the last thing I want to
Go
do.
for it.
Is that what you want?
Go for it.
For disorderly
I'm
conduct
completely
and public intoxication, because you're acting like you're showing signs of being intoxicated.
So I'm intoxicated,
And-
yet I'm
and-
having a physical and mental conversation. Give me anything.
Ma'am, please pick up your stuff. I'm trying to help you out. Pick up your stuff. Let's walk into the non-secure.
Tell that mother
You can put
for
it-
me laying here
you can put
on
it
my
in complaint.
fat ass.
You're cursing.
Being
There's really-
Be loud.
nasty.
You're being disorderly right now. I'm not going to tell you.
There you go.
I'm literally sitting here.
Ma'am, I'm not going to tell you to pick up your stuff, walk with us to the non-secure side. If not, you're going to go into custody, and I do not want to do that.
And you know what?
The subject continuously raised her voice, pointed her finger in the faces of Southwest staff, and called an acquaintance to make threats. An experienced officer stepped forward, crossed his arms, and issued a brief statement.
No, I don't. I hate this country.
Ma'am,
Canadian, New Zealand, by birth?
Are we leaving?
I don't know. Are we?
If you can get your stuff together.
Well, I mean, I've been able to get my stuff together
Okay.
for a while, but
Well, show me you can get
the
your
fact
stuff
that
together.
I'm intoxicated and
Well, at this point, it's disorderly.
no, well,
So-
that's just me being
Come on, man. Pick
shitty with
up,
you because you
pick up your
literally-
items. We can walk and talk. Okay, well,
Okay, well, you got to pick up your bags and keep walking.
I get it. Do you think I'm?
Ma'am,
Stop
we're not gonna tell you
treating me
again.
like I'm an
go
adult.
and start walking.
Treat me like an adult.
Right.
No, put it on my back.
Put your hands in the back.
They are arresting me.
It's okay.
You get. You know what? I could break out.
Let us double lock your cuffs so they don't get tight.
I don't care if you get tight. It's not going to hurt anyways because you work in an airport. No, you let go of me and I will never fly again.
I don't care if you don't fly again or not.
Yeah,
We're just
and I
going
don't
downtown.
care either.
It's fine. Face this
That I
wallet.
did not do.
Relax.
No, let me out of the airport. I would rather be.
Stop resisting.
I would rather be out of the airport
Stop resisting.
than in here fighting. I'm stronger than you.
Relax.
Kick you in the balls. You
Stop resisting.
do not put me behind doors for
Stop
no reason.
resisting.
When all I wanted to do was go wash my 4-month-old
Oh, 11. We're still 10:15 over here. She's
Give me!
22. We're gonna you.
Don't bite me.
Then give me my phone to call my boyfriend. Then give me my phone to call. I have rights.
Relax.
Breathe.
Give me my phone. No.
Relax.
No. It's not. You were supposed to give me my rights forever ago. I'm not even American and I know the rights.
Stop kicking.
Yeah, then why have I not had any rights?
You have rights.
Listen, yeah, then why have you not given them to me?
The act of refusing to comply combined with physical struggle immediately elevated the offense from an administrative violation/trespass to resisting a peace officer. A criminally stupid decision. She was turning an order to leave the airport into a conviction with a criminal record.
I got it right.
Why are three of you actually...
We're gonna have to walk her down. She keeps not clear assistant. Go ahead and get this. We're gonna
You
walk her.
realize if you weren't I would probably not resist.
Stop.
No.
I'm trying to help you out. Over here. Over here. Hey.
If you weren't trying to help me, you would be talking to me.
I'm gonna try it, okay?
Then how? If you're gonna try, why didn't you try from the very beginning? Where I was just...
Go over there.
Where is my phone call to my boyfriend? No! 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 No!
All right.
No! You want to call my boyfriend?
No.
So now you're treating me with respect, but you don't call my boyfriend.
All right, somebody go that side. Let me get my hand in it.
Do you really think that's what you want to do? Let go of me and let me in! You want to...
There you go.
Do not
Hey, how about restraint?
let go of me! Because this hurts and I've done nothing
Just from my
wrong.
office.
I don't care and you've hurt me this entire time.
How about restraint?
Right behind you.
Let me know your name!
Stop kicking. Stop
You want to
kicking.
do that? You want to do that? For nothing! I did nothing! Hey, Bree, is your name Bree? And then Tiana? Go for it! Go for it! Yeah, you want this is really what you want to do, even though I'm not in trouble?
Well, there you are, huh?
No, because Americans are right? No matter what, Americans are right? Hey, you gonna call my person?
All right, you got it.
I have every right to have a phone number called.
Yeah, let's go.
Get it out of your pocket.
We're gonna take you inside.
Stop. I'm not going to do anything. Let me call my boyfriend.
We
No,
will. We're gonna
no,
take you
right
inside so
here.
you can call
no,
your boyfriend.
no, right here. I want to
She's
call.
already
No,
took her seatbelt off. Okay.
no,
Can
I
take
don't
these
have my
off of you?
seatbelt off. It's
The subject was pushed against the control wall. Both arms were bent behind her back, and the sound of the handcuffs clicked shut. She immediately switched from an arrogant attitude to screaming and crying, demanding to call a lawyer and complaining of pain.
here. You
That's fine.
stop. Both
Can
of
we
you.
help you?
Can you both shut up for one moment, please?
What do you need to say?
Stop. I literally practice radical honesty.
Okay.
And everything in my life. I do not lie. I do not do anything.
Okay.
I do not whatever. The only reason I am fighting you is because I was not in the wrong.
Okay.
I literally just laid there. Someone said, "Hey, can you not lay there?" And I said, "Bro, I've literally laid here every single time I
trying to
come."
get you through this
yes,
as fast
but
as we
look,
can.
you treat me with
We are.
respect?
So can I get these off your feet so you can
Yes.
walk on your own? Okay.
Can you
so
please take this
sit
off
back.
or do
We
something?
will. Put your legs straight out.
I will not fight
Okay,
you.
don't
I
kick.
just want to call my boyfriend.
I got your
Okay.
phone. Once we get you out,
And
stand
my
you out.
husband, because I literally have both. And I will tell you that later if you want to know.
Which one was in the army? Husband or boyfriend?
Boyfriend.
Okay,
The husband is New Zealand
gotcha.
because I lived in New Zealand for 12 years. Okay. But I have a husband
Come
and a
out.
boyfriend, and I literally will
come
do.
out.
I literally.
You able to stand up good?
Yes.
Okay, I just don't want you falling, that's all.
After the arrogant self-destruction act at the boarding gate, the subject was escorted straight to the airport police station and formally charged with 3 offenses: criminal trespass, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest.